Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to be showing you how to actually insert a cake support with column support in the bottom tier of a wedding cake. You would basically need your plate. Your plate is going to be the same size as your bottom of your next tier that's actually going to be positioned on top of the cake. You're then going to need your support dowels. They're going to be approximately the same width of height that's on your opposite end of your lowest part of your cake platform. You can find most of these items in your local craft store, or you can order them online through a cake supplying company. You then just want to actually insert the support columns into the plate. Make sure they're all steadily in the middle. And then you're just going to gently put them as close to the center of the cake as possible. This is where you'll need to have a ruler to actually measure the distance in between each. You want there to be approximately the same distance of measure all the way around for all columns to make sure your column support is center. And then once it's center, you just gently push it in, solid into the next tier of cake. Push it as far as it will go. Make sure it's level. And then you're ready to actually attach your second tier of your wedding cake. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery in Tampa, Florida.